Hello, Vivian. It's Miss Todd. I haven't been able to see you on live yet, but I wanted to send you a story. This one is called Amazing Balloon Sculptures. And look, what's he holding? This guy is holding things made out of a balloon. And this is a mail truck. Does a mail truck come to your house? And here is a postman. So this man must be a postman. Let's read our story. Amazing balloon sculptures. An artist makes amazing balloon sculptures. This artist is 22-year-old Eddie Lynn. Eddie has autism. He is from New Jersey. Eddie has a business. His business is called Awesome Balloon Creator. And awesome is spelled like the beginning of autism. Let's click the link and see if we can see what it is. Oh, it's the same picture we just saw. There he is. That must be the man that makes them. Oh, that's so cool. And here's some other ones. Can you see that? Let me see if I can move it. Here's a nurse, and he's got a Captain America shield. That is so cool. Would you like to get a balloon like that? Ooh, it's a wedding. It's a wedding dress. Oh, the hair is so cool the way he made the hair. There's a close-up of those other balloons. Ooh, here's a big one that says hope. And here it shows a flower. And that's like Thor. That is so cool. I've never heard of that. Have you? Let's see what the next page talks about. Eddie makes amazing balloon sculptures for customers. Many customers are giving the balloon sculptures to workers. The customers want to thank the workers. Some of the workers include doctors, nurses, postal workers, and grocery store workers. It's always good to say thank you. Now we get to answer questions. What does Eddie Lynn make? Does he make paintings, balloon sculptures, or candles? I hope you said balloons. So we just looked at. Who do the customers that are buying the balloons want to thank? Do they want to thank athletes like football players and soccer players? Do they want to thank singers, or do they want to thank our workers? They want to thank our workers. And this is kind of hard. It was only mentioned like one time. It was only said one time. But is he from New Jersey, Nebraska, or South Carolina? He's from New Jersey, which is right next to New York. It's way up there. I'm going to send you this in case you want to do this. I wanted to say hi and do something with you. I hope I get to see you at some point on Zoom so I get to interact and say hi. This was Miss Todd.